Good afternoon, everybody. Today I want to try something different. If you've been following me, you will know that most of my travel videos are walking tours, but I'm about to start a new trip and I wanted to blog about it. So I guess this is the day zero of this new trip. So I'm going to show you the backpack that I'm going to use, why I choose this one, and what I'm going to put in it. Um, this is not a backpack review, it's just me showing you what I'm going to pack and what I'm going to take on my trip. So I'm going to start talking about the backpack. The brand is Osprey. Probably many of you already know it, and it's the Soyun Porter 46 liters. I choose this backpack because it has some really nice features, and it's not just that it has a lot of storage, but also has the organization, um, like some extra pockets, some pouches, and another reason is that it's really practical to go through security. For example, you have this pocket here that you can quickly take out your toiletry bags and put it on the security tray. Also, you have this another compartment on the side, and you can quickly take out your tablet or laptop and put it on the security tray. So I was looking mostly for convenience, organization, and capacity, and this backpack had everything that I needed. As I mentioned, I'm not going to review this backpack. I just wanted to give you a quick view of it. And as far as I know, it should meet the carry-on specifications. And the most important reason why I choose this one is because I'm going to be doing a lot of traveling. I'm going to Jordan, then Israel, and finally Cyprus. And I didn't want to drag these kind of bags over cobblestone sidewalks that end up being really annoying. And a backpack is easy to carry, and if it has good straps like this one, you barely notice the weight. So enough talking about the backpack. I'm going to show you what I'm going to put in it for the 20 days trip. So now I'll show you some of the basics that I always carry with me. First aid kit, basic, not big deal, but it's enough if you get cut or if you have a small injury. Some pens, I don't use them a lot nowadays, but yeah, maybe you can borrow them to someone. Locks and chain for hostels, raincoat for the backpack. I had bad experiences where all my clothes and some stuff got wet inside of a backpack, especially travel with the 65 liters one. The guys at the airport doesn't treat your luggage very well, and all my stuff got really wet, so now I use this and it fits very well to my new backpack. This is also an Osprey backpack, but this is a ultralight backpack, and it's really convenient because it's small. I can carry it with me and it's lightweight, and if it breaks I can just get a new one. Travel documents, passport, cards, ID, sleep mask. I have problems to sleep on airplanes, so this is really convenient for me. And some work travel adapters. These are really convenient, especially since you never know which kind of plug you will get, and if one breaks I have other options. Hotels and hostels sometimes they don't have, so I rather have many. And the last thing are some bags. They are always handy, especially to put wet clothes, dirty shoes, or dirty clothes. So yeah, this is everything that I always put on my trips. This is kind of essentials, and plus all this is my tablet, my laptop, and my phone. Finally, all my clothes are ready. to be packed. This is what I'm going to take for the 18 days trip. I have t-shirts, sweater, some boxers, socks, a swimsuit, and some shorts. And finally, I have my toiletry bag. So this is it. I'll put everything into my bag and then show you how it looks. And here is the final result. Everything is packed and we are ready to go.